Beautiful day for cricket. Now we want to set up the BAT130. First thing to do, take everything out of the two bags. Spread them out so it's all in front of you, so you know exactly where everything is. Step 2, put the base plate right on the bowling crease right here. Okay, it's quite heavy, so you might need 2 people to do it. Okay, next, we've got that foot plate. Take out the magnetic pins, put that in there, grab it so you've got a firm grip, slam it in. Now next step, slam these in as well. Don't be scared to give it a bit. Now next, we need to have our uprights. So we grab these and just take the pins out. Very simple little operation. Put that in there, don't go all the way, just hold it because it's a very accurate piece. Slip them in there, slip the pins in. Now the machine's solid. Now to do the other side. Right, now we've got both of them done. Now next step is the T-bar. Simple operation. Slam it in. Let's put this in next. This will support the trigger. So that's just a nice little slip in there. Clamp that in. Now do these up as tight as you can. Nice. Now we've got a nice solid joint. Now, we have the trigger. It's just a little pin that we have to remove. Stick it on, put the pin back in, just move it forward, slip that on there. Now this little spring just holds it forward. It's a good little safety device. Next, let's do bowling arm. Now that's just a simple operation. Slap it down, tighten the 2 screws at the front. Now we're ready to roll. Now the next step, possibly the longest thing we have to do, is screw this in. Now it's very important that we had a thread here because it's one of the strongest things in engineering and it's not going to break. Take a few seconds to do that. Alright, next, lift a bit, lift it in. Very last, it's a spring. Now if you put it up the top first, just clip it in like that, take that out. I like to just lift, put my foot underneath it like that just to support, spring in, whatever speed you like. This will deliver a lower speed, slightly higher speed and top speed over here. Now we'll just go in here. Grab it as high as you can. Now, as soon as this stops, you're going to get a little bit of friction here, a little bit of resistance. So pull this back, pull it down, slip it in like that. Okay, so a little bit of resistance here, slip it in, and this spring will hold it in nice and tight, so it's quite solid. Now, if we want to adjust the length, We can go to a fuller length by just tweaking it. We have instructions on the bowling arm. So we just set a fuller speed and we just lock it up like that. A little bit fuller. A little bit more fuller. You want to bowl it shorter? Right, go shorter. And then we just lock like that. Nice ball. Now we can set that down. Now notice how I've put all my weight just over the top of it. Okay? So once again, step onto the machine, put on here, put your weight on it, up and down. You feel a little bit of resistance there, you'll get used to that. And lock it in. Now to adjust the line, just a little tweak up like that, and we're just outside off stump. Ball in. Is the batsman ready? Good. On top of off stump.